everybody, this is Audrey, also known as Noble Strength, and welcome back to my channel. And today I have a small mini thrift haul for you today. So if you like thrift hauls, then go ahead, like and subscribe, click that notification bell, and be sure to share this video with other thrifting lovers. So I did go thrifting to several Goodwills, and I picked up just a few items. I picked up 2 handbags and 3 articles of clothing. You know me, I love to thrift and I love finding a good deal, but lately I haven't been finding a lot. And I just want to ask you a question. Do you ever thrift things that you don't want to keep for yourself personally? Maybe you want to give them away as gifts, or maybe you want to resell them. Let me know in the comments below. I do resell on Poshmark from time to time, and I also shop on Poshmark. I think I shop on Poshmark more than I actually sell on Poshmark, but it all works out. I just like the whole cycle of buying and selling and not having things go to waste. So anyway, I picked up 2 handbags, and these handbags I'm not particularly smitten with or necessarily fond of. They're cute, they're in decent condition, but I mainly purchased them so that I can sell them as a trio with another bag that I already had. So I am going to share with you the 2 bags that I got, and then show you the bag that is going to go with this little trio that I upload on Poshmark. I'll probably upload it in about 2 weeks because I need to clean them thoroughly. All right, so the first bag that I picked up is this circular bag, and I do not know the official names of these bags. Everything that I found online referred to them as Y2K monogram multicolored Dooney and Burks, or multicolored monogram Dooney and Burke Y2K bags, however you want to say it. But that is what I found, but I really don't know the official names of this. But I do like the structure and shape of this particular bag. It does give me Y2K Louis Vuitton vibes of their whole multicolored line. And from what I understand, or what I read in some comments on some other posts and things, that Dooney and Burke was sued by Louis Vuitton, but they lost that, and because it was completely different, they weren't trying to be Louis Vuitton, but I guess they were influenced by them. I don't know. If y'all know more about that whole thing, let me know. But anyway, this bag is trimmed in vachetta leather, so natural leather trim. So it does show, wear and patina, and it does show stains on it, but nothing too bad. The only major flaw on this particular one is that the stitching is kind of coming loose. Excuse the light, the sun is going behind the clouds now, but the stitching is kind of loosening here on there. But other than that, really good condition. It does have a back pocket and this little kind of ID display window there, and then a front zip pocket. And what I love about these colorful bags is that they have these nice colorful zippers, and I'll give you a close-up of that, but I just think that's kind of a neat effect. And there are some people who collect this style, so that's why I grabbed it, and I thought they were great deals. This one was half off, as well as the other one. This was half off of $24, so this one was $12. Now the next one that I picked up is a different style, but it's from that same era, I guess you would say, the whole Y2K multicolored look. This one's in a light kind of baby blue. I love the pockets on the front. It does have 2 little side pockets as well, and it has that vachetta leather trim. It's in excellent condition. It needs some cleaning on the inside. Both of them do. They both have blue interiors with slip pockets and zip pockets, and they have their Dooney and Burke tags on the inside, but I need to clean them out. That's why I'm not showing the insides right now. This one was $8, so it was $16 originally, but because it was marked blue and they were half off, this one was $8. So $12 and $8 for the 2 bags. So here they are, and they both have the little medallion on the front with the Dooney and Burke. And then the bag that I already had that will make this a trio is this cute little bag here. You saw me feature this in a previous video, and I was given some advice on like how I could remove the coating, but I think I'm gonna leave the coating on since I'm going to resell those, and I'll leave that up to the person that purchases them. But I kind of like the yellowing effect. It yellowed pretty evenly, so it's like a nice kind of pastel-y yellow, which doesn't look too bad in my opinion. I did try cleaning the inside of this bag because somebody spilled, I believe, something sweet on the inside, because it has like a sweet cake-like smell that I can't get out of the bag. It's not offensive, it's just a kind of, like I say, a cake or candy-like smell on the inside. So I will disclose all of that in the description when I do upload these up on Poshmark. So I will be featuring these as a trio on Poshmark, and this is for profit, and I do kind of put into the price the time that it takes for me to clean the bags and source the bags. So it won't be an exorbitant amount, but it will be something where I will profit from it. So I just want to disclose that as well. But those are the two bags that I got. Now we're going to hop over to the clothing rack, and I'm going to show you the 3 pieces of clothing that I picked up, and then I'll do a styling. So let's head over that way. I think I really got some really nice pieces that will be great for starting out the fall. You know how I love jackets and blazers, and I'm sure you do too, but there's a brand that I always like, Thrift. I love it, and that is White House Black Market, and that's what this first jacket is by, that brand. I absolutely love this military style crop jacket. I want to talk about the features of this jacket because that is really what sold me on it. I love a nice military band jacket, and this one, you can tell it was loved and worn. You can tell that the richness of the gray has kind of faded a little bit, so it gives it that distressing look, which is okay with me. But the great thing about it is you can tell that it's been washed a lot and worn, but it's still holding up and it's still like in great shape. That's what I love about quality clothing. So the first feature that I like is the fact that it has hidden snap button feature on the sleeve. That's a kind of rare thing to find, the hidden button snaps right there, but I love that. And then it has these faux epaulets on the shoulder of it. I love this nice kind of embroidered beading detail that goes really well with this exposed ribbon detailing here. So you're pulling out that burgundy, and the detailing on the buttons, just very detailed and ornate. I love, love, love that. And then on the back, it has this kind of little V cut there. It's tailored like right here in the waist, so it just fits really well on the body. It has actual pockets that snap and open here, so these are functioning pockets, which I really like. It does have pockets here as well. So this is just a cute overall jacket, and there's a faux pocket on the sleeve here. So really nice jacket, and I picked this up for $6. Okay, so the next thing that I picked up were these pants, and these are No Boundaries, which is a Walmart brand, and I've been wanting some black jeans. And when I buy jeans, I usually get a crop fit. I just like the way that is. Sometimes I like to get a full length or long length pant, but I do really like the crop look. And these are a nice pair of black jeans that have a lot of stretch in them. And I think that it would go really great with this gray jacket and the next one that I'm about to show you. So I picked these up for $6 as well. Okay, so the last jacket that I picked up was this Chico brand jacket, and you know Chico does vanity sizing, so if you really want to be psychologically psyched out that you're in a small size, then yeah, shop Chico. This is a size 1. That means nothing, really, it doesn't. But I love this jacket. It's a tweed jacket, and it kind of gives me Chanel vibes. I think it's just a classic design. I like how it has this collarless look, no buttons, just really, really clean, kind of a bit of a peplum at the bottom, bell sleeves. I love the layering there, just very classy, and this would look good with slacks or with a skirt. So I'm going to style these a couple of different ways, so stay tuned. Starting off the styling, I'm gonna be styling these No Boundary jeans with this black tee and some LV sneakers, which I thrifted off Poshmark, and the LV bag, which I thrifted from Goodwill. Everything I'm wearing is thrifted, guys, except the belt. So you can really get great deals thrifting. You can get luxury, authentic items from thrifting. And this is just a basic, gotta run some errands, casual kind of look. And I'm using this as a base for the next outfit. So you can see you can get multiple wears out of that same look just by changing up the accessories. So that same black tee, you need a long sleeve black tee as an essential in your closet. I'm telling you, it will work miracles. And then I have on these Gianni beanie heels and this Michael Kors bag with the Chico's tweed jacket, and voila, you have an upgraded version of that first look, and you're ready to go to brunch and really feel good about yourself and look pulled together and elegant and classy and nice. So I love this tweed jacket. Like I said, it gives me Chanel vibes. Don't have the buttons to fuss with. And here are the two looks side by side. Notice the contrast. One is just super casual. The other one has been taken up a notch. Let me know in the comments below, which is your preferred look. So this next styling is all about having fun and experimenting. That is what I'm trying to drive home with this look. This is not something I would normally wear. Sometimes we have to step outside of our comfort zone, and that's what I was going for here. So I've paired shorts and this tweed jacket. You're thinking probably too many seasons mixed up, but here in Georgia, our falls are just really, really pleasant. They have a nice kind of cool morning, and then it warms up a little bit in, the afternoon. So this is a look that you could get away with in early fall. And like I say, it's something new for me. All right, moving on to the military jacket. I love a military jacket. I could own a dozen different styles of military jackets. I just think they're the coolest. I like the sleekness that it gives when buttoned up, but you could also unbutton it for a more relaxed look. But I just like that tailored fit. And once again, I'm wearing that same black long sleeve tee and those same jeans. So here's a third look using that same basic base that we started out with. And this jacket, like I said, it's just great for the fall. A nice little stylish layering, not too dressy, but just enough to be different. And here's that jacket styled with a mock turtleneck and a black skirt and some combat boots. Like I say, just experimenting, having fun, playing around. And I would love to hear your thoughts on the different stylings in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did, and I hope you get out there and thrift. Thank you so much for tuning in to this mini thrift haul. I hope you enjoyed it. It was fun as usual. I love sharing my thrift finds because I hope it's encouraging to others to get out there and thrift. Let me know in the comments below how you clean your handbags. I will leave in the description box below if you want to know how I clean mine. I have a few videos that I've done in the past that show all of what I do to clean my bags. My routine is pretty much the same. I still use the same products. It hasn't changed. So check those out if you're interested. And I love you guys. Remember, as always, to be a good steward of all that God has given you because He loves us so much. And I will see you real soon. Bye.